Hey, what's up, SLP coin holder? What is SLP coin, my brother? The question is, what is SLP coin? So everybody, if you are new in a crypto, if you want to invest in a very best altcoin, my brother, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need, my brothers, to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Everybody knows this, my friend, about SLP, but if you don't know, so you will need to complete watch this video and absolutely get or earn money in SLP. SLP is one of the best cryptocurrency, my friend, this time in the crypto market, and definitely one of the trending also, my friend. Everybody know this, my friends, to SLP is in trending and those days, so therefore my other people are starting research about SLP. Remember, to SLP is one of the best cryptocurrency, and absolutely the holder are starting investing very highly, my friend, in this time. So the volume is also increasing, the price is also increasing, so definitely people are starting loving in SLP, and absolutely I also invest in SLP, so therefore SLP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. As you can see here, what they said about what is SLP. So you can see here SLP means small low portion, and SLP, this is the short, my friend, you can see a shortcut. So small low portion SLP tokens are earned by playing the X and XI infinity game. Now absolutely XI is also one of the fastest crypto coin, my brother, in this time in the crypto market, and absolutely XI infinity one of the unique brand now. So the digital assist services are a replacement for experience point SLP or R20 tokens, and they can be used to breed the new digital pets that are known as exiles. Yes, my brother, exile infinity, everybody know this about exile infinity. So remember, this is also one of the part of my friend exile infinity SLP, and you can see here this time are 20 tokens now in crypto market. So therefore you will never understand, my brothers, to SLP will never, my friend, any bad company, my brothers. So kindly, if you want to trend with, my friend, trading, if you want to trading and SLP, so definitely it's one of the good coin, my brother. Kindly, I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to they will give you a profit, because, my brother, I also take a lot of time profit and SLP. So therefore this is not a scheme, this is not a fake, and you will need, my friends, to invest now in SLP. So hope you understand, my friends, something new, and this video are absolutely designed for all my viewers, for new investor who cannot trust to SLP is good for investment or not. So therefore I will tell you this is very good coin for investment now. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you please research personally, but this is very important video for all of you. So hope you liked it, and please subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.